Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how to on and use auto rotate screen. Friends, you don't know actually what is auto rotate and how to use it in any Android device and guys any Oppo phone device. So friends, now let's see how to on and use guys auto rotate in Oppo phone device. Today friends, I will show you in this video friends. So friends, first of all open your phone setting to on auto rotate screen. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface in your Oppo phone device. So how to on auto rotate screen friends, you will have to click on guys your display and brightness setting. Friends, click on display and brightness. Friends, you can see guys your display and brightness setting is we will on. Friends, you can see dark mode setting, auto brightness you can on, you can off from here guys. Eyes protection mode, eye comfort mode you can on, and guys you can off from here. Then guys you can check, means guys you can see your auto rotate screen setting is here off. So first of all guys we will on and guys how to use it. So how to use guys, by example guys I will on get this YouTube, and friends you can see I can rotate my screen guys. You can see automatic guys I can rotate this screen like that, and friends I can use guys this auto rotate screen setting in my Oppo phone like that guys. So I hope friends you understood guys how to on auto rotate screen and how to use it in Oppo phone device. And friends you don't want to use, you want to turn off it, so friends you can turn off easily guys. Click on display and brightness, auto rotate setting, we will tap here to turn off. After okay screen will not rotate automatic guys. You can check, you can try, and once you want to use, so you can on, and guys you can use the screen rotate setting as you can see automatic screen will rotate it and we can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to on and use guys auto rotate in Oppo phone device. So bye bye guys, we will meet on next video. Friends, do you have any doubt related to guys your display brightness setting, you can ask me comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys.